Imagine a world where your car drives itself, your fridge orders groceries, and your virtual assistant predicts what you want before you even know it. Welcome to the era of artificial intelligence. In this era, AI is not just a sci-fi concept anymore. It's a reality that's changing the way we live, work, and play. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, AI is at work, making our lives easier, safer, and more efficient. Let's start with your morning commute. Thanks to AI, self-driving cars are no longer a distant dream. They are here navigating traffic, avoiding obstacles, and getting us to our destinations safely and efficiently. But the impact of AI goes beyond our roads. In our homes, AI-powered virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa are becoming our personal assistants. They play our favorite songs, remind us of our appointments, and even control our smart home devices, all with a simple voice command. And it doesn't stop there. In the world of online shopping, AI is the invisible force that recommends products based on our browsing history and purchase patterns. It's like having a personal shopper who knows our tastes and preferences inside out. In the healthcare sector, AI is revolutionizing the way we diagnose and treat diseases. AI algorithms can analyze medical images, detect abnormalities, and help doctors make more accurate diagnoses. They can even predict health risks and recommend preventive measures. In the world of finance, AI is transforming the way we manage our money. From predicting stock market trends to detecting fraudulent transactions, AI is making financial services more secure and efficient. In education, AI-powered tools are personalizing learning, helping students learn at their own pace, and teachers to deliver more effective instruction. But how does this fascinating technology work? That's what we will dive into today. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is essentially about creating machines that can think, learn, and adapt like the human brain. It's like teaching a computer to play chess. At first, it knows nothing about the game, but as it plays more and more, it starts to recognize patterns, learn strategies, and eventually it becomes an expert chess player. AI comes in various flavors, each with its unique capabilities. Machine learning is one of them. It's the process where a machine learns from experience. Imagine feeding your computer thousands of cat and dog pictures. Over time, it starts to recognize what makes a cat and a dog a dog. So, the next time it sees a cat or a dog picture it has never seen before, it can correctly identify it. That's machine learning in action. But what if we want our computer to recognize not just cats and dogs, but all sorts of animals or even understand human language? That's where deep learning comes in. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that mimics the neural networks of our brain. It uses multiple layers of artificial neurons to analyze complex data and make accurate predictions. It's like having a miniature brain inside our computer. Another exciting field of AI is natural language processing, or NLP for short. NLP enables computers to understand and generate human language. It's the technology behind your favorite virtual assistant, enabling it to understand your voice commands, read text, translate languages, and even have conversations with you. So, from playing chess to understanding human language, AI is all about creating machines that can mimic human intelligence. It's a fascinating field that's rapidly transforming the world around us, and we're just scratching the surface of what's possible. Intrigued? Let's peel back the layers of this fascinating technology. For those eager to learn more, Google offers an AI course designed for beginners. This course is like a treasure map, guiding you through the intriguing landscapes of artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing. It's a journey of discovery, one that starts with the basics and gradually leads you to the more advanced concepts and applications. Imagine a course that doesn't assume prior knowledge. It's like learning a new language, starting with the alphabets and gradually constructing sentences. That's how this course is structured. It begins with the fundamentals, explaining what AI is, how it works, and why it's important. It then dives into the different types of AI, providing practical examples and easy-to-understand explanations. Enrolling in this course is as easy as pie. All you need is an internet connection and a willingness to learn. Simply visit the course website, sign up for an account, and you're ready to start your AI journey. You can learn at your own pace, revisit the material as often as you need, and even participate in interactive exercises to test your understanding. As you progress through the course, you'll encounter a variety of learning modules. These are like stepping stones, each one taking you a step closer to understanding AI. Some modules focus on theory, explaining the principles and concepts that underpin AI. Others are more practical, demonstrating how to apply these concepts in real-world scenarios. But what can you expect to gain from this course? Well, it's like acquiring a new set of tools. These tools can help you understand how AI is transforming the world around us, from healthcare and finance to entertainment and transportation. They can also empower you to contribute to this transformation, whether by developing your own AI applications, advancing research in the field, or simply making more informed decisions in your personal and professional life. This course is your ticket to understanding AI and its potential. Why should you learn AI? The benefits are manifold. First and foremost, gaining a solid understanding of AI equips you with a skill set that's in high demand in today's job market. As the world continues to digitize and businesses across industries increasingly adopt AI-powered solutions, the need for AI literacy is more pressing than ever. Whether you're a software engineer, a data analyst, or even a marketing professional, knowledge of AI can give you a competitive edge and open up a wealth of career opportunities. But the advantages of learning AI extend beyond the professional sphere. At its core, AI is about problem solving. It's about using data and algorithms to make predictions, automate processes, and make informed decisions. By studying AI, you'll sharpen your analytical thinking and problem-solving skills, enabling you to tackle complex challenges in your personal life as well as in your work. Moreover, AI has the potential to foster creativity. You might think of AI as a strictly scientific field, but it's actually rich with opportunities for creative exploration. From designing interactive virtual worlds to creating AI-powered art and music, the possibilities are truly limitless. By learning AI, you'll gain the tools and knowledge to bring your most innovative ideas to life. Lastly, learning AI is a way of future-proofing yourself. As AI continues to evolve and permeate every facet of our lives, understanding how it works will help you adapt to changes and seize opportunities in the AI-driven future. In a nutshell, learning AI can give you a career boost, enhance your problem-solving abilities, unleash your creativity, and prepare you for the future. And the good news is, you don't need a background in computer science or math to get started. Google's AI course for beginners is designed to make AI accessible to everyone, regardless of their prior knowledge or experience. Ready to take the leap? Enroll in Google's AI course today. Now that you've had a glimpse into the world of AI, it's time to dive in. Google's AI course for beginners is your gateway to this fascinating realm. It's been designed with the novice in mind, breaking down complex concepts into digestible, engaging lessons. But don't just take our word for it. Try it out for yourself. Enrolling is as easy as clicking a link, and once you're in, you'll have access to a plethora of resources, from interactive modules and quizzes to a community of learners just as eager as you are to explore the potential of AI. The learning doesn't stop there, though. There are countless resources available online to further your understanding and answer any lingering questions you may have. The world of AI is vast and exciting. It's waiting for you to discover its secrets. So what are you waiting for? Join the AI revolution, enroll today, and share your AI journey with us.